this video, I'll show you how to add a smooth zoom motion effect to your images or videos in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new project. Drag your image or video into the page. Scale it up to fill the entire screen. Go to the Animate tab. For free users, select the breathe effect to create a subtle zoom in motion. If you want a zoom out effect instead, scroll down and choose the photo zoom option. Pro users can adjust the zoom direction in or out and control the animation speed using the scale slider. If using the breathe effect, ensure your image is scaled until the edges disappear for a seamless transition. And that's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.